Tonight we did our first car event out here in Fort Pierce. Called it Street Dreams on the Treasure Coast. It's been a dream actually for a long time to get something back here in Fort Pierce. We're currently on 2nd Street. We shut down from Orange Avenue all the way to Avenue B. We had a great turnout tonight. Everything from classics to JDMs to Euros. Remember, the second Thursday of every month, we're going to be shutting down 2nd Street and hosting another car event. So we look forward to seeing you out here.